Creatures great and small, each with their own unique features and behaviors, have carved out their niches in this ever-changing world. Prepare to be amazed as we uncover 20 incredible facts, each one more surprising than the last. Welcome to the channel. Before we begin, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you'll know when we post a new video. Now sit back, relax, and let the wonders of the natural world unfold before your very eyes. The African savanna, a vast expanse of grasslands and scattered acacia trees, is home to a creature of remarkable stature and endurance, the giraffe. Standing tall above the plains, these gentle giants possess a secret weapon in their quest for survival. Fact 1. A giraffe can go longer without water than a camel. How is this possible? Their diet holds the key. Acacia leaves, a staple food source for giraffes, contain a surprising amount of moisture. This natural hydration, combined with their highly efficient kidneys, allows them to conserve water like true desert specialists. Giraffes have evolved to thrive in their environment, demonstrating the remarkable adaptability of life on Earth. Deep within the rainforests of South America, a creature of both awe and terror resides. Fact 2. The Goliath bird eater, a spider of gargantuan proportions, reigns supreme as the world's largest spider by mass and body size. With a leg span that can reach up to 11 inches, this 8-legged behemoth dwarfs its arachnid relatives. Its massive frame, weighing in at over 6 ounces, ensures its predatory prowess. Despite its intimidating name, the Goliath bird eater's diet consists primarily of insects, frogs, and small mammals. The name bird eater originates from an 18th century illustration depicting a similar spider feasting on a hummingbird. While such encounters are rare, the Goliath bird eater's formidable size and venomous fangs make it a force to be reckoned with in the rainforest understory. The hummingbird, a marvel of nature, never ceases to amaze us. This tiny creature with its iridescent feathers holds a secret within its delicate frame, a heart that beats with astonishing speed. Fact 3. At rest, a hummingbird's heart thumps at a rate of 250 beats per minute, already an impressive feat. But it is during flight that this minuscule organ truly showcases its prowess. As the hummingbird hovers effortlessly, its heart races, reaching an astounding 1,200 beats per minute. This rapid heartbeat is vital for the immense energy required for the hummingbird's lifestyle. With wings beating 50 to 80 times per second, the demand for oxygen and fuel is relentless. This tiny heart, a powerhouse in its own right, rises to the challenge, ensuring the hummingbird's survival in a world of giants. The python, an apex predator of the rainforest, commands respect with its sheer size and strength. But beneath its glistening scales lies an even more astonishing feature, a skeleton of unparalleled complexity. The animal with the most bones in the world is the python and other large snakes in the same family. While an adult human typically has 206 bones, the python dwarfs this number with over 1,800 individual bones. This skeletal marvel is primarily due to the extraordinary length of its spine, which can contain over 600 vertebrae. Each vertebra is accompanied by a pair of ribs, further contributing to the python's impressive bone count. This intricate framework provides the python with the flexibility and support needed for its unique mode of locomotion. The python's ability to slither through dense undergrowth, constrict prey with bone-crushing force, and even climb trees is due to the evolutionary brilliance of its skeletal design. In the unforgiving heat of the African desert, survival depends on resourcefulness and cooperation. Fact 5. The meerkat, a small but social mongoose, exemplifies these qualities through their remarkable underground homes. These burrows, far from simple shelters, are intricate networks of tunnels and chambers, painstakingly excavated by the meerkats themselves. These subterranean cities can extend up to 16 feet in length and often feature multiple entrances and exits, providing crucial escape routes from predators. Within the burrow, designated areas serve as nurseries, sleeping quarters, and even toilets, highlighting the meerkat's emphasis on hygiene and communal living. The cool, stable environment within these underground havens offers respite from the scorching sun and protects the meerkats from the harsh desert elements. The coral reefs, bustling with life, are home to a dazzling array of creatures, each with its own unique adaptations for survival. Amongst these underwater denizens, the red lionfish stands out, a mesmerizing spectacle of beauty and danger. Fact 6. The red lionfish is adorned with striking red, white, and brown zebra-like stripes, a vibrant pattern that provides surprisingly effective camouflage amongst the coral's intricate formations. But this beauty serves as a stark warning to potential prey, for lurking beneath its alluring exterior is a formidable defense mechanism. Emanating from its body are long fan-like fins, each spine tipped with a potent venom. These spines, resembling delicate feathers, belie their true purpose, to deliver a painful sting to any would-be attacker. The venom, a cocktail of neurotoxins, is capable of causing excruciating pain, paralysis, and even death in some cases. The red lionfish is a master of both allure and defense. The horse, a majestic creature, has captivated humans for millennia. Its strength and speed symbolize freedom. Fact 7. Horses can't vomit due to their unique digestive tracts. This makes them vulnerable to digestive issues, a trade-off for their specialized system. Deep within Madagascar's rainforests, a tiny insect with an extraordinary feature roams. Fact 8. The male giraffe weevil neck can surpass its body length. This appendage serves a crucial purpose. Males battle fiercely for females. They use their necks as weapons. Grappling and wrestling, they attempt to flip rivals. The victor earns the right to mate. The neck is also used for nest building. Females roll leaves into tubes, securing them for their offspring. Here in the rocky outcrops of Africa, we find a creature that challenges our understanding of evolution. This is the rock hyrax, a small furry mammal. But don't let its size fool you. This creature shares a remarkable secret with one of the largest land animals on Earth. Fact 9. The rock hyrax is a close relative of the elephant. These two creatures are linked by a shared ancestry millions of years old. Some similarities between rock hyraxes and elephants include: hyraxes have small, tusk-like incisors that resemble those of elephants. Both species have similar foot bones and toenail-like structures instead of claws, and their digestive systems have similarities in how they process fibrous plant materials. Madagascar, an island renowned for its unique and diverse wildlife, is home to the captivating tomato frog. Fact 10. This vibrant amphibian sports a striking red-orange hue, a bold statement in the world of amphibians. But this coloration is more than just a pretty face. It warns predators that this frog is not to be trifled with. Beneath its charming exterior lies an ingenious defense mechanism. When threatened, the tomato frog inflates its body, becoming a larger and more intimidating target. Should a predator ignore this warning, the frog unleashes a thick, sticky secretion. This gooey substance contains a mild toxin, causing temporary numbness and discomfort. It's a small price to pay for a valuable lesson learned. Never underestimate the tomato frog. The forests of Madagascar are a haven for unusual creatures, like the lowland streaked tenrec. Fact 11. With its black and yellow stripes, it's often mistaken for a hedgehog or porcupine. But the tenrec is neither. It belongs to a unique family of mammals found only in Madagascar. Its defense mechanisms are impressive. It raises specialized quills, forming a prickly barrier. It can even detach these quills, embedding them in attackers. The lost quills will grow back, a painful lesson for predators. And here we find the Adelie penguins of the Antarctic, huddled together against the biting wind. These birds have a surprising secret, one that's rather less dignified than their usual tuxedoed appearance. Fact 12. Penguins poop about every 8 minutes. This comical frequency is a consequence of their ravenous appetites and high-speed metabolisms. To survive in this unforgiving landscape, they must consume vast quantities of krill and fish. This constant consumption, coupled with a digestive system working in overdrive, results in a rapid turnover of, shall we say, processed material. Indeed, this constant excretion plays a vital role in the Antarctic ecosystem. The nutrient-rich guano, as penguin droppings are known, fertilizes the barren landscape and supports a surprising diversity of life, from microscopic algae to colonies of seabirds. It seems that even in the most extreme environments, nature finds a way to recycle and thrive. The scorching deserts of North America are home to a creature of remarkable resilience, the kangaroo rat. Fact 13. This diminutive rodent, with its oversized hind legs and endearingly large eyes, possesses an extraordinary adaptation. It can live its entire life without ever taking a sip of water. This incredible feat is possible thanks to a combination of physiological and behavioral adaptations. The kangaroo rat's diet consists primarily of dry seeds which offer little moisture. However, through a process called metabolic water production, their bodies extract water by breaking down the carbohydrates in these seeds. But that's not all. Kangaroo rats are masters of water conservation. Their kidneys are incredibly efficient, concentrating their urine to minimize water loss. They rarely sweat or pant, further conserving precious moisture. And of course, their lifestyle is perfectly suited to their arid environment. They spend their days in cool, humid burrows, emerging only at night when temperatures are lower and the risk of dehydration is reduced. Drifting through the sunlit waters of the open ocean, we encounter a truly bizarre creature, the salp. These transparent, barrel-shaped organisms, often mistaken for jellyfish, are actually more closely related to U.S. vertebrates. Fact 14. Salps are masters of efficient locomotion, propelling themselves through the water using a simple yet ingenious method: jet propulsion. By rhythmically contracting bands of muscles, they pump water through their gelatinous bodies, creating a jet of water that propels them forward. But their remarkable adaptations don't end there. Salps are voracious filter feeders, using their transparent bodies to their advantage. As water flows through them, they capture tiny plankton and algae, essential nutrients that fuel their growth and reproduction. And perhaps their most intriguing characteristic is their ability to form complex colonies. Individual salps, known as oozoids, can reproduce asexually, budding off chains of genetically identical individuals called blastozoids. These chains can stretch for meters, resembling long, pulsating ribbons dancing through the ocean currents. We have witnessed the ethereal beauty of the salp. Now, we encounter a distant relative, the ascidian, or sea squirt. Fact 15. A sea squirt has one end of the body always firmly fixed to rock, coral, or some similar solid surface. It may appear to be a simple sac, but it has a fascinating story. Sea squirts are named for their habit of expelling water when disturbed. Remarkably, they are more closely related to vertebrates, including us. Across North America's sun-drenched landscapes, a vibrant creature with a fearsome reputation makes its home. The red velvet ant, with its striking crimson and black colors, commands attention. Fact 16. The red velvet ant is not an ant, it's a wasp. Its bright colors warn predators of its potent sting, earning it the nickname cowkiller. While exaggerated, its sting is not to be taken lightly. These solitary wasps sting only if provoked. The wilds of Australia are home to some of the most unusual creatures on Earth, animals that have evolved in isolation. Among these remarkable creatures are the kangaroos and wallabies, marsupials renowned for their powerful legs and distinctive pouches, where they nurture their young. Fact 17. Female kangaroos and wallabies possess 3 vaginas, and 2 uteri, allowing them to raise multiple offspring simultaneously. Deep within the heart of a forest, a firestorm rages, leaving behind a trail of destruction and renewal. Amidst the charred remnants, life finds a way. Fact 18. The charcoal beetle emerges from the ashes. With specialized sensors, they detect infrared radiation, guiding them to wildfires. This attraction to fire is no accident. The female seeks freshly burned trees for her offspring. Amidst the devastation, she lays her eggs. Her larvae feast on nutrient-rich wood, aiding forest recovery. They thrive in an environment that spells disaster for most. Fact 19. Animals that lay eggs do not have belly buttons. The belly button, or navel, is a universal symbol of mammalian birth, a mark left behind from the umbilical cord that once connected mother and offspring. This lifeline leaves an indelible mark on the abdomen, a reminder of our earliest beginnings. Fact 20. The smallest frog in the world is known as Paedophrene amoensis. This tiny amphibian is native to Papua New Guinea and holds the title as the smallest vertebrate species in the world. It measures an average of 7.7 millimeters, 0.3 inches, in length, about the size of a housefly. Each species, with its own unique adaptations and behaviors, reveals the boundless creativity of the natural world. There you have it, 20 amazing animal facts. We've covered from the depths of the ocean, where salps drift effortlessly on the currents, to the heart of the rainforest, where tomato frogs startle predators with their vibrant colors. Until next time, keep discovering one fact at a time.